What's going on YouTube? This is going to be a quick video on how to remove this right side mirror cable and mirror from the car on a Caprice. Probably a Brougham or LS, I'm assuming. I think the other ones are all manual. But first, you have to remove this panel. It's Phillips. It's a nut cooler panel. Take the hose off. Then you have to reach up underneath in the back here and slide this little bracket down, and then it'll unhook. It goes in behind there. Pull it down. It'll make this come loose. Then you're gonna need a 5/64 nut driver. Put it in the one side, loosen it up. Then this panel, once you loosen that, this panel will come off. Your cable will be loose. You can push it in. And then under the ashtray, pull the ashtray out. Let me see. You pull the ashtray out. You should. Sorry, I'm doing this laying down here. There's that cable. There's that. So now it's behind the other nut cooler. So what we'll do is we'll pull these screws out, and I think they're 7mm. Okay, once you drop this panel down, you'll be able to pull this cable out. It goes around a bracket in there, or not really a bracket, but like a brace. So once you have it pulled out, it goes up and over the wire harness. I guess you'd have to have a wire harness. It goes up and over the wire harness, going to the dash. It goes up and over the wire harness going to the door. So you're gonna have to feed it through the wire harness, which you might have to just pull it through on this side. I need 2 hands. Okay, so once your mirror is like this and you have a bunch of it out, you can still pull it, move it. You come on the inside. I put a string on mine, a really long string, so that when I pull it in through this boot, and it comes out through here, I can cut the string off, and then when I'm ready to put it back in, I can retie it to the string and then just pull the string from this side, and it'll pull it right where it needs to go through the whole boot and everything. I mean, you don't have to do that. It just makes it a little bit easier, and why not make it easier? So now we have it all the way through. String goes through. We can pull it. So what I'm gonna do is just cut it, leave the string hanging in the door, and when I go to put it back together, that's when the string will come in handy again. So string's in there, in the door. I got my piece. And yeah. Now we gotta finish taking that off. Those are 10s. This will be off in no time. So after you pull those 10s out, you're good to go, and you can do your body work and paint your car, or do whatever you have to do. But if this video helped you, please like and subscribe, and later.